Meet our favorite e-commerce retailer, Ken. Say hi, Ken. Ken wants to better understand sales tax Nexus and how it applies to Ken's business, and Ampersand is here to help. Nexus is a fancy word that describes when a seller has some physical connection with the state that imposes sales tax on the products that Ken sells. States can determine what activities create Nexus in their state, but these activities must meet the strict standards of the U.S. Constitution. Ken feels confused by this. Don't worry, Ken. We'll help you out. Let's explain what creates Nexus. States can define the types of activities that create Nexus in their state, but the most common and universal activities are having employees working in the taxing state, renting an office or warehouse in the state, having inventory stored in the state, or having third-party sales agents working in or visiting the state on a regular basis. In Ken's case, he is selling on Amazon FBA and has his inventory stored in many different states. This storage of inventory creates a physical presence in each state for Ken and his business. This physical presence is also called Nexus. Companies that have Nexus and sell taxable items have an obligation to get a permit to collect and remit sales tax to the taxing state. Now Ken gets it. But Ken recently read that some states were considering a certain volume of sales within the state as Nexus. The states are calling this economic Nexus. The state of Massachusetts, for example, recently issued a new directive that if an out-of-state seller made more than $500,000 in sales and 100 or more shipments within the state in a 12-month period, the seller would have Nexus in Massachusetts. Ken is confused again. Some states have enacted these laws for out-of-state retailers who don't have physical Nexus within that state. Under existing constitutional principles, these rules are not legal and many courts are not letting the states enforce these rules. Even if these rules were legal, Ken, you still have to do a large volume of sales within that state to trigger economic Nexus. It was created in an attempt to require large e-commerce platforms such as Newegg.com or Overstock.com to start collecting and paying sales taxes within those states. Ken feels better and more informed on Nexus. This educational video is brought to you by Ampersand Accounting LLC. If you need additional help, please contact us at ampersandaccounting.com.